What are your views on arranged marriage?
Okay.
Arranged marriages are fake marriages for me.
It terrifies the hell out of me.
I think it's kind of some, prison or something.
Like marriage is license to free sex, I guess.
Would you prefer love marriage over arranged marriage?
Arranged marriage. Nah, boring.
Nah, boring.
Nope.
Not arranged marriage at all. I prefer not getting married over.
You don't prefer.
Same.
Actually, I would be both.
I don't believe in marriage actually.
You don't
Oh my
believe
God,
in it.
yeah.
क्यों ऐसा क्या हो गया? Recent breakup.
Yeah.
What about your parental pressure, societal pressure? How are you going to deal with that practically?
I don't have such parents.
Even I don't have such
Parents
parents.
are
Yeah,
chill
they're cool with it.
No, my family is not at all chilled out.
come up
Probably in
to
my case that will happen.
That will happen?
Yeah, because the whole religion factor will come, I guess.
Actually,
Yeah,
think
so
of
how would you
running,
deal
I
with
guess.
I've listened to my parents for 18 years, but now I have my own life.
How about casual relationships, like let's say Tinder? Do you support that?
No.
No?
Yeah, that's like having sex with a stranger.
I won't mind.
That would be
what?
nice.
That would be nice.
Depending on how hot the guy is actually.
Hook up with anyone?
No, if he's on. Maybe.
Hello and welcome back to Quick Reaction Team. This time we thought of asking people about their views on relationships and marriages. So sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Guys, what are your views on arranged marriage?
It's a lot of views to tell you.
Arranged marriages are good. I mean, they're happy marriages as such.
Is what I believe. It's just a contract between two people.
Yeah, it works in India at least.
Okay, I think arranged marriage is a bit messed up, as we all know.
Mostly, I don't like arranged marriages.
Would you prefer love marriage over arranged marriage?
Love marriage.
Love marriage.
Well, I prefer love marriage, but it depends upon person to person.
It should be love for
So
me.
you will prefer love marriage over arranged marriage?
Yes, any day.
What about you, ma'am?
Same, even I'll prefer love marriage over arranged marriage any day.
No, I would prefer love marriage.
Love marriage because I will know the person and I can spend my rest of my life with them.
हाँ सबको love marriage ही करना है हाँ मतलब कोई tension ही नहीं है सबको love marriage.
I think as a concept, arranged marriage is totally cool.
I would prefer an arranged marriage because I think the complications are a little lesser.
In arranged marriage, you get to know a new person. One of my family members, she's had a really bad experience with arranged marriages. So I prefer love only. I don't know. It's just arranged marriage, तुम एक महीने के लिए somebody and then you just get married to them. And for
एक महीने से भी नहीं जानते हैं.
हाँ, exactly. एक हफ्ते पहले they're like, you were getting married now. And like at least in a love marriage, maybe I'll know that guy for maybe 2-3 years and then I'll get married to him.
Same, I would say I would never want to be with a stranger. And over that, you have to convert yourself according to their needs. Yeah,
Someone you
exactly.
don't even know
No, so why to be with a stranger?
For me, it's like love marriage, of course, but everything has got their plus and minus.
I would prefer a love marriage because I think knowing the person before marriage is better.
Okay, see, it depends upon people to people, right? So those who are looking for thrill, they can wait for arranged marriage. Those who are like,
Thrill like what?
see, come on, it's very much natural. People, those who do not know each other and they get arranged and they get married, in an arranged way. Like your parents are going to introduce you to somebody else. So what happens is you get married to them, and after that you get to know them. So there are certain secrets of their lives, there are certain secrets of your lives that you want to share with each other. That is where the thrill part joins us.
What about your parental pressure, societal pressure? How are you going to deal with that practically?
It's pretty much cool in my family. I belong to a Punjabi background, and my parents, I've already cleared it out with them. See, you give some time to me. If I don't get it, then you have all the authority to look for somebody.
My parents are pretty chilled out. My mom's just as against arranged marriages as I am.
In my family, everybody has a love marriage. My parents have a love marriage, so I guess no.
Chill out. What if your parents comes up to you and tells you, okay, he's a guy, and probably they'll come, they'll invite that guy over to your house and probably.
Okay, so
arrange
that's
a
a very unlikely sort of scenario for me, at least. I don't know if so, but if it had to happen, I think I would run away or something. I don't know.
What about the thought, the idea of, spending the first night with someone you don't even know properly in arranged marriage?
I won't mind.
tough question.
I don't know how to answer this question exactly.
What about the fact that, in arranged marriage, practically you're going to spend the first night with someone you don't even know.
Exactly, that's the most weirdest thing ever. I mean, yeah, they have buffer periods where they have to get to know each other in like 6 months. You don't even get to know somebody you're dating for 6 months also, and that person turns out to be I don't know who.
It's not really necessary that you spend the first night. You can make a decision, you can come to an understanding.
First night with an unknown person, that's like, okay, एक लड़की अगर वो ये ऐसे normally करे if she's not getting married to that person, then oh my god, she's but she's doing that, she's getting married to an unknown person and spending that night. Sorry, between them, that's weird.
You just expected to sleep with some stranger. And if you sleep with somebody you already know, that is like a taboo in India kind of a thing.
It all depends what they want to do on that night. So people can get comfortable, chat and all. So it absolutely depends upon them.
No, I'll figure it out first, man.
But you see, the only way
If it's arranged, I'll figure everything out and then I'll decide. Then I'll decide whether or not I want to marry this guy.
See, every person is different. So when you interact, you get to know each other. So basically, even if it is love, you don't know whether the marriage will be, will be lasting or not.
nothing lasts
So nothing lasts forever.
Nothing
Basically, nothing lasts forever.
Initially, obviously, I won't be comfortable, but maybe you never know. Give it a month or something, you will.
I would like to spend some time, in talking and knowing the person, and I don't think so that will be my first night exactly. It will just like trying to know the person.
Do you think the trend of arranged marriage is so slowly getting, extinct and, getting outdated in modern cities?
I do not think so.
Maybe.
Yes, I totally think.
Definitely it is.
No,
Is it still there?
it is still there. It's absolutely followed in a very big way as of now.
Yes, I feel so. At least in India, slowly love marriage is taking over arranged marriage a lot nowadays.
It might actually not be like that, but I think it is. Definitely yes, because most of them are going for love marriages nowadays and it's all fine in everyone's family now. So I think that's a better option.
No, I don't think so. I, in fact, feel a lot of people are interested in arranged marriage now. So a lot of my friends also, everyone used to be like, we should have a love marriage and all that. But I think a lot of people are moving towards arranged marriages nowadays, apart from also having love marriages.
Do you think the trend of arranged marriage is slowly getting extinct and it's getting outdated in modern cities?
Definitely.
I feel it is slowly getting it, but at a very slow pace. They are becoming business deals more.
Maybe because the thing is that now we are being given freedom to choose our partners. Families are comfortable. So it is getting outdated because even parents are accepting the person you choose.
Yeah, it is getting outdated because, even I know a lot of my friends who are, want to do arranged marriage, but they want to know the person before. Like they want to spend 2-3 months before, while getting married. So I don't think so. It's kind of arranged marriage. It's kind of, love marriage only. You know the person and then you get married. So I don't think so this concept actually exists.
How about casual relationships, like let's say Tinder? Do you support that?
All cool.
All cool?
Yeah.
Fling is
Yeah.
for you?
Concept of Tinder, I think if people want to do it, sure, go for it. I don't judge
You
people.
personally?
No casual sex at all.
I would not prefer sex.
I made a fake account, but
Just
for
to
the
figure
heck
it out,
of it.
like what?
Like
how
what
does
the
it
hell?
work?
But I never
Did it
met
work out?
someone or no, I never.
I believe in casual relationships which happen naturally but not through Tinder or some
Have you guys used Tinder before?
No, I have not. We don't have a Tinder. Never.
No, I don't think so. I want feelings. I want feelings as well.
Definitely.
No.
The concept is great, man. Like everyone is. No, it's great that maybe I want to date somebody, you want to date somebody, but we're not. We're socially pretty bad. Meeting people, right? I guess.
Exactly.
But I wouldn't.
That is actually debatable in our country, but yes, it does not have the legal complexities. So yes, if you want to do, then according to Indian law, it is permissible.
How about live-in relationships? Would you prefer that?
Yeah, I will prefer.
I've had friends who are staying in living relationships, but half of them have had a good experience. Otherwise, I think you need to actually have some distance sometimes because you keep seeing the same person again and again and daily and every day.
Monotonous.
It's very. I wouldn't like that.
For me, a live-in relationship, yeah, I would love to do something like that.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind if I am in love with my boyfriend or
Over
something.
marriage? Like
Over
you
marriage?
know, officially getting hitched and
I personally prefer marriage because of many issues that you have to handle so much drama outside and family and all that. Otherwise, it's cool. It's left to them.
It's okay. It's not like I prefer it over anything else. But yeah, I would go into a live-in relationship provided I am having a good understanding with the person and we have a good future plan.
I have a different say in that because I feel, you know, you got to maintain some kind of a distance. If you keep on staying with that person, I think people tend to get bored.
how about you? Oh, if casual is fine, I'm sure.
Living is fine. भाग के तो जा सकते हो.
So, if given a choice between love marriage and an arranged marriage, which one would you choose and why? Please type your answers in the comment section down below. Also, check out some of the best QRT videos by clicking right here. If you have enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. To get all our fresh videos first on YouTube, click the subscribe button right here. Follow us on our Instagram page to see all the behind the scene pictures and videos of the shoot. Do the regular like and share on Facebook by simply searching for Quick Reaction Team. I'll see you guys next Tuesday 4 p.m. with a brand new episode of QRT. Goodbye. Mother's name is Mrs. 42. Daughter's name is 32. Son's name is 22. What is father's name?
What is all two?
So he's Mr. 42.
boyfriend.
I want to be a boy just for a day. I just want to